Hello friends, today we are going to study record type and page layout in Salesforce. It's one of the very important topic in Salesforce. So for that, let's go to our org. If you want to watch more videos, you can watch Nasir Aidodo and then now for record types we can go to our object and then our app, my college, I will go to my book and then see in my book I have only one page layout, as you can see. As you can see, we have one page layout. Now if you want to price discount, if you want to have different record types, so let's go to object, setup, and our object, which object is book. So as you can see, if you click technical or you want to add new book, the author, country, category, and these three are depend on each other. As you can see, if you click technical, then category. If I don't click technical, then I have different options: math, history, PE, and science. So for record types, if you want to have different pick list for different field, I will show you. If you want to have, for example, different field for different record types, you can do it by record types. So go to our book object and then see we have field and relationship, page layout, lightning, record page, and we have record types. Right now we don't have any record types, so you can create one record type. Object is master. For example, I want to separate like technical or non-technical, or for example science object and non-science or literature, and that by default it is active. As you can see, it is for all the it is already, it is first record type, it is automatically default. If you create one more, this is profile, you can select and apply one layout to the all profiles. Yeah, I can select this one and save it. Now I will create one more. As you can see, for science objects, so which ones in category, right? I think, yeah. In category, we have some books, right? Biology, chemistry, computer, history, math. So which one are science objects? For example, history is not a science object. PE is not a science object. Computer, chemistry, maths, English. These are science objects. These are literature or literature. So I can save. These are science objects, and then it is active. Then let's go back again. I had one, maybe to add S there. Name of the add S. Now I will add one more science. I will add literature. This also will be active, as you can see, and make it available. As you know, right now the science objects are default. If you click this one, and this one will be default, like this literature. So I want science to be by default. It will be active. I make default and apply one layout to all profiles. Then click. It is active, and then in this I will select different category, not all the books. I want to select it can be English, this just example, and then I save it. Then now if you go to the object book, yeah, this is my book object. Now if you create a new book, as you can see, select a record type, science object or literature. If you click science object literature, the page out is exactly the same. But if I'm not going to click, just I will go to science object, it's fine. Just to show you an example. Technical category, maths and science. Because in this example we our technical category was if you don't select, then you have biology, chemistry and computer. In this example we don't have history and PE, as you can see in both options. Now if I cancel this, I try to add new one and go to literature. Then just example, I don't have done, tick here, we have history and PE in this. But as you can see, the page layout is the same for both. So if you want to have, for example, different page layout for different page record types, then you can assign with this one here. As you can see, for literature and science object, we have same page layout. But if you want to assign, for example, for literature, you want to assign then we need to create two-page layout. So here, if you want to, for example, create new science object, existing is our book layout, and then in this book layout for example, in book layout, what you this is science. In science, what you don't want, which object, maybe you don't want this field here, about book, for science, or list of content, maybe you don't want. You can save it. This is just an example, science, and then new one, and we have also literature also. For literature, for example, if you don't want maybe about author, it is just an example. I will just save it. I create two different page layout. Now I will go to record types. I will page layout assignment. If you come here again, literature is layout, book layout, science book layout, same book layout. So if you want to have personalize it, as you can see, first click here and then literature. Come here and then science objects and then save it. Now if you come here and then you add a new one for science objects, I think we erase something. What was that? I don't remember. So you can have different page layout for different record types. So that is the way how we create record types and their page layout. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned something new.